Okay, this could be wild. There is a AI token out there right now that who knows? They could be getting set to partner up with Apple. Yeah, we're talking about Render, RNDR, and Apple's event has sparked huge momentum for the AI-backed crypto token Render, that is RNDR. And when we take a look at Render, it is already a top market cap within the AI sector. It's ranked number 47, guys. We're seeing a nice little surge in the price action here just on the heels, I think, of some of this news coming out. And hopefully this video reaches some people as well. Here in the last month, we've come up from 160s, $1.60 to like $2.68, all here in the last month. You could see what's happened here in the last year with Render. Look at this. It was down here at 40 cents to start the year, guys. Now we're trading at $2.68. If this token is not on your radar yet, it needs to be. And we've talked about AI cryptos. We've talked about Render before, months ago, during this first boom. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you are. We talk about AI cryptos. We talk about community tokens. We talk about layer ones. We talk about Bitcoin. We cover the gamut right here on the channel because opportunities make us money. And there's a ton of opportunities to be had right now in the cryptocurrency market. So with that being said, let me pull this over so you can see that a little bit better. There we go. All right, so an upcoming Apple Worldwide Developers Conference has sent shockwaves through the crypto market with all eyes on the potential impact on the AI-backed crypto Render token. So why? Why could Render help out Apple here? Well, here's what's going on. This event, by the way, is scheduled for tomorrow. One of the most anticipated announcements at the WWDC is Apple's VR headset, which has sparked rumors of increased demand for the Render token because that is what they are doing, okay? So they are essentially, right here, it's an ERC utility token used by artists on the network to exchange for GPU computing power from GPU providers. Render utilizes a combination manual and automatic proof of work system, or in this case, proof of render, in order to verify all art has been successfully rendered prior to payment dispersal and art released. So this could be very, very interesting in terms of the AI technology that Render provides for Apple's VR headset. Now, it says here the AR/VR industry is projected to be a $1 trillion industry. It is going to require massive amounts of GPU for AI and rendering to scale this. Well, I just read it to you. Render could lead the AI sector if something like this were to happen. So this is why you've got to stay locked into the news. The Render network, powered by the Render token, offers distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. As the augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality industries continue gaining momentum, the need for massive GPU processing power is expected to skyrocket. Now, for those of you who just need a quick refresher, augmented reality is like Pokemon Go, right? Where it's overlaid into the real world. Something that is rendered is overlaid into the real world. Virtual reality is a whole new world, right? It's a whole new place. It's when you put on a headset and you're completely immersed and into a different environment. Now, this has placed Render Network in a favorable position for widespread adoption, positioning it as a leader in meeting the industry's demands. This is why this entire AI sector is so important, because these massive companies are going to partner up. This is where two emerging technologies, we talked about this in my video that's the channel trailer right now, where AI meets crypto. It's in the AI crypto sector. And these companies, it could be Render, we're going to see, maybe as early as tomorrow. It could be Render partnering up with huge companies like Apple to do some massive big data stuff. I think Render will hit $20 in 2024. This is coming from Crypto Rover. Popular Twitter influencer Crypto Rover also contributed to the discourse, further fueling speculation among investors who see the potential for the Render token to experience huge growth due to the Apple event. Now, full disclosure here, I am not yet invested in Render, and I feel like I'm maybe losing out here already, and I don't want to FOMO per se. I'm just kind of watching it right now. If we look at the alt chart, though, here's the good thing. We haven't missed the big gains, because back in 2021, this thing went to $7.80. So we're still well below that, okay? Keep in mind, this thing did fly back in 2021, the Render token. Again, going up almost to $8. So it is trending back up. You could see that chart. That looks damn good, especially here in a bear market. There's the huge chart right there. You could see what's going on. And Render token, certainly one to keep your eye on. We'll be keeping tabs on this as we go into tomorrow, guys, because if something comes of this, This could be very, very interesting. So appreciate you guys so much for stopping back here by the channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you like content like this. Peace out.